Hello everyone. In the last session we have discussed on the basics of NPV and we have carried out a particular problem regarding that. Now in this particular topic I am giving you an assignment to calculate the NPV. So here a project is given to you. It is having an investment of 20,000 rupees and it has an yearly savings of 2,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees, etc. to 8,000 rupees till 7th year. And it has also incurred expenses during its 3rd year of operation and also during the 6th year of operation. You are asked to calculate what is the NPV. How you can do that? So if you mention here your CF0 is 20,000 rupees, CF1, CF2, like that up till CF7 is available to you. So it should be a single value. But in the 3rd year you can see that there is an expense of 1,000 rupees. So under such conditions, how you will find out the yearly cash flows? So in the initial year, in the first year, if the savings is 2,000, so your cash flow is 2,000. Second year it is 5,000, so its CF2 is 5,000. 3rd year savings is 4,500. But to get that 4,500 rupees, you have to spend 1,000 rupees. So therefore, you have to find out what is the net cash flow. So for that, what you have to do is, you have to deduct this expense from the corresponding savings. So you can see that it is 3,500. So these are your cash flows in each year of operation and this is your investment. Now you can try calculating what is the NPV of this particular project and come up with the answer. Thank you.